My name's Jim Boshaw. I'm President and CEO of PAC Worldwide.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a morning person, absolutely.
What do you enjoy doing outside of work?
My biggest passion outside of work is probably snow skiing. I spend a lot of time with my kids. It's something we do as a family. I have 3 skiers and 1 snowboarder.
No snowboarding for you?
I've tried it. I did okay until I fell, hit my head really hard, and decided I was just going to stick with skiing. I've done it my whole life.
Now, what animal are you most like?
Probably a bear. Just like a friendly bear, though. I like to scratch my back on things.
What do you love about working at PAC?
I love the culture at PAC. It excites me to get up every morning and come to work for a company that is collaborative and really offers opportunities for people to grow and develop. And as we continue to grow, we're in a very, very busy growth period right now. It excites me that we create so many opportunities for people that come on board.